What's up, guys? Today we're doing a maintenance wash on this 2014 VW Passat daily driver, and you can see we're just taking a initial look at it, and you can see it's relatively dirty. Once again, it's a daily driver. The tires kind of are brown. So first off, the wheel and tire cleaning process. As you guys can see, everything just comes off really easily, which is actually kind of the main theme of this video. Ceramic coatings really do make washing your car very, very easy. And proof of that is that it actually took me about 30 minutes to do a full detail, including the wheels, tires, wheel wells, and just a really detailed, in-depth maintenance wash on this Passat. So once again, it really doesn't take that long thanks to the ceramic coating. And moving into the rinsing here, you can see everything, or the beads of water just kind of falling off the paint because once again it's ceramic coated. And then we're moving into the foaming, and this is just to provide the maximum lubricity to really prevent scratching of the coating. And then we are going to just rinse that off, and this will also take off any surface dirt, which is the main purpose of a foam cannon. So we will remove any surface dirt in this process also. And once we actually get to the hand washing stage, which we are at right now, there's actually not a ton of dirt left on the surface because once again, the ceramic coating makes the dirt just kind of fall off and makes it so easy to clean that once you actually get to the hand washing stage, the pre-rinsing and the foaming kind of remove a good majority of that dirt. And once again, you don't have to do a super, aggressive hand wash or contact wash, which makes the coating last longer. So you can see we're rinsing it off here, and you guys can just see the water beads. We're drying it here, and it just beads right off, which is also a really great thing about ceramic coatings, is you can blow dry your car, and then we're going to be applying a topper protection. This will last about a month. And it's not totally necessary on a ceramic coated vehicle, but if you want to get the full lifetime out of your ceramic coating, and more, then it is definitely something that you probably want to do. And once again, this will last about a month on its own, and a few weeks on a ceramic coated vehicle. And then we're going to be dressing the tires, and this is just going to really complete that look, make it look just really, really good. And as we take a look at the after, here you guys can see it just looks brand new, like the day it was bought. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate. Feel free to contact us, reach out at any time, and we will see you guys in the next video.